People ask me repeatedly, so here is a recorded explanation, two explanations actually, on the spherical chicken joke. Either way, the explanations have to do with physics. According to the joke, the hens are not laying eggs, so a physicist is there to work out an answer, and in a week's time, the physicist can only figure out something that works with spherical chickens in a vacuum. So, the root of this thing is that reality is complex, and physics deals or addresses this reality with mathematical models. Alright, simple mathematical models or simplified mathematical models, along the course of which geometric shapes are introduced to the explanations. And for example, we have straight line acceleration, or a parabola for trajectory of a projectile, and we have expressions such as ideal gases. Guess what? Ideal gases don't exist. So it's a simplified theoretical model of reality, simplified model of reality, trying not to bring in all the complexity of it. Therefore, it doesn't amount to or doesn't explain all the complexity of life. Physicists also work with equations, and in equations we have a limited number of variables. Okay, so if you don't factor in wind resistance with your ballistic trajectory calculation, and that could be crosswind, that could be downwind, that could be tailwind, or that could be updraft. If you don't factor it in, guess what? It's not part of the equation, so it's gonna miss reality. So this is the geometric shape. This is the point where spherical chickens come in, and at this point vacuum comes in. If you don't factor in air into your theory explanation, then that's what's going to happen. Spherical chickens and vacuum will be part of the explanation. Another way to look at things, forget physics, is the complexity of a chicken's life. The age of a chicken matters. The breed, if it's too old, it ain't gonna lay eggs. Don't even think about it. The breed matters, because some breeds are for broiler and some for egg production. The amount of light, the chicken lighting, the amount of lighting the hens get matters. Temperature matters, relative humidity matters. And these are mathematical things, but you can quantify and measure them, but they are just a small fraction of the complex reality. And if the rest are not part of the equation, you're going to be missing it. The feed, the quality of the chicken's feed, and population density, the building they are housed in, because if hail makes a lot of rattling noise, then the chickens won't be happy. They're panicking and they're going to suffocate in one pile. So in 1 week's time, again, the physicist doesn't have time to capture everything. His solution or her solution only works with a reduced number of variables. Solution only works in vacuum with spherical chickens. So there you have it.